Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an omelet half-fry. First, crack 2 to 3 large eggs into a bowl. Whisk them gently with a fork, adding a pinch of salt and black pepper. Next, finely chop a small onion and 1 green chili, then mix them into the egg mixture. Heat about 1 tablespoon of oil or butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Ensure the pan is evenly coated. Once your pan is hot, pour the egg mixture directly into the center. Gently tilt the pan to spread the eggs evenly, creating a nice, thin layer. Let it cook undisturbed for about 1 to 2 minutes. You'll notice the edges starting to set and firm up, while the center remains delightfully soft and slightly runny. This is key for the half-fry texture. Now, using a spatula, carefully fold 1/2 of the omelet over the other. This creates that classic folded look. You can cook it for an additional 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on how runny you prefer the center. The goal is to have the outside cooked through, but the inside still wonderfully soft and moist, not completely dry. Your perfect omelet half-fry is now ready to be served. Transfer it carefully to a plate. You can garnish it with some fresh cilantro or a sprinkle of chili flakes for an extra kick. It pairs wonderfully with toast or a simple salad for a quick and satisfying meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.